guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alicia and today it is episode 4 of the Great British Bake Off, which is chocolate week. Yes, something I actually know. I failed at bread week, I failed at biscuit week, I did okay with cake week, but I am going to ace chocolate week. I'm doing chocolate orange brownies. I've done them before, I love them, they're delicious, and it was requested as well. So chocolate orange brownies, here we come. Now the baker's had 90 minutes to do 18 brownies, so I'm going to put a timer on the clock now. And I'm going to put my oven on to 160 degrees Celsius. And let's get baking. So first of all, I need my ingredient list. There's a lot of stuff here and I'm running out of space already. First of all, I'm going to melt together my butter, chocolate and orange. So I want 240 grams of butter, 238, 242, hey, 243, didn't put that much in, Jesus, 240, there we go. Chocolate, I need 200 grams of chocolate. Now, with chocolate orange brownies, as you can see, I've got terrace chocolate orange, which is very dangerous because I love a terrace chocolate orange. You can replace all of the dark chocolate with terrace chocolate orange, or if you want to, you can use all the dark chocolate but then have chunks of terrace chocolate orange in the brownie, which is what I'm going to do. So 200 grams of dark chocolate. What else do I need? My orange. So I'm going to zest one orange. I do have a little hand grater, but I can't find it, so I'm going to zest an orange. Logan's come to join me. Hello. You okay, baby? Oh, so that, ow! I got distracted and grenaded my thumb. It's okay, no blood. Who wants like the smell of orange? Oh, he's going now. He knows he's not getting any, so he's just gone. I just grated my hand again. Oh, that was a really, really sore one. Ooh. Okay, that one might be bleeding. Okay, pause. Okay, I'm back. I've got a plaster on now, so it is all good. Let's just not do it again. It smells so good. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut this orange up, and I'm also gonna squeeze some orange juice into it. Now I'm gonna melt this all together, and meanwhile we are gonna mix the eggs and the sugars together. Okay, I've made a mess already, but oh well. Next up, it's eggs and sugar time. So, 4 eggs, 200 grams of caster sugar, and 130 grams of brown sugar. I'm looking down at my ingredients because there's so many and I can never ever remember how much of everything I need. You see, with cakes it's easy because it's basically just the same quantity, but brownies not so easy. And then we're going to whisk them together until it sort of doubles in volume and becomes quite pale. And meanwhile I'm going to keep stirring that. Mixture isn't quite ready yet, but the chocolate mixture is, so I'm going to take that off the heat and let it come down to room temperature before we mix it all together. So whilst that is doing its thing, I'm going to start cutting up a terrace chocolate orange. This is so dangerous because I know I'm going to eat one segment and then one segment leads to another segment, and then before you know it the whole thing is gone. And I'm going to cut them into chunks. I am cutting them into sort of like medium sized chunks. I don't want it finely chopped, I don't want them too big, just somewhere in the middle so they melt, and then when you bite into the brownie you get a chunk of your terrace chocolate orange. Amazing. Anyway, I'll carry on. I have used about 3/4 of a Terry's chocolate orange, and I've not had a piece yet, so I'm very, very proud of myself. Now, to check your egg mixture is done, you just want to get your whisk and sort of run it round a little bit, and if it leaves a trail for a few seconds, then you know it's done. So mine needs a tiny, tiny bit longer. I reckon we're about there. Yeah. So now I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla in. Then I'm going to put this on a low speed and very, very slowly start pouring over our chocolate mixture. I've got it everywhere like I always do. Then we are going to fold in the flour. Then we're going to fold in the flour and the cocoa powder. So we need 95 grams of flour. Pretty much bob on. And cocoa powder. We need 65 grams of cocoa powder. So the judges wanted a fudgy brownie rather than a cakey brownie, and the secret to a fudgy brownie is having the right fat to flour ratio. So if you have too much flour, it's going to be cakey, and if you have enough fat, so butter and chocolate, then it is going to be fudgy. Then I'm going to put the chocolate in. Simply fold this through until it all comes together. Put a tiny bit of chocolate in, and chocolate, you won't really take chocolate. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in, and you won't really taste the salt, but it really helps to bring out the flavour of the chocolate. There we go. Then I'm going to distribute it between the tins, and we're going to bake it for about 25-ish minutes. Now brownies really do vary when you bake them. I've baked exactly the same recipe and it's taken 25 minutes, and sometimes it takes 40 minutes. I don't know why it does that, but it just varies. The key with checking a brownie is cooked is you want to poke a skewer in it or a knife or whatever, and you want it to be slightly gooey because that's going to be the fudginess. So you don't want to cook it all the way through, you want to be undercooked, but obviously not raw, because if you saw Great British Bake Off, then you saw some brownies just completely collapse when they were taken out the oven. So it's a bit of a guessing game, so good luck and I'll see you in anywhere between 25 and 40 minutes. Okay, it's been 25 minutes, so I'm going to test the brownies. One's done, it's still slightly gooey, but it's not raw. The other one was on the bottom shelf, so I've just moved it up, and I'm going to leave that for another 3 or 5 minutes. So we have a total of 34 minutes left. Usually I would leave brownies to cool completely for a couple of hours in the tin and then cut them, because you're going to get a sharper edge that way, but we don't have that time, so I'm going to let them cool as long as I can. I think I'm going to need 10 minutes to cut them and decorate the top. Fingers crossed that's enough time, and I will see you in 24 minutes, I guess. I have got 16 minutes left. I thought I'd give myself a little bit more time because you never know, do you? Ooh, they're breaking apart, okay. And that's very hot. Now, I think I've worked out if I do them 6 by 6 by 6, I can take some of the edging off too, because obviously this one isn't square. So make a mark there and follow it down. Whoa, they look so fudgy. Look at the knife. Oh, they look good. Okay. Then I've got Oh my god, they taste amazing. A 6 there, a 6 there. And just cut the very edge off here. See, this is the problem when you cut warm brownies, is that you get everything on the knife. And they don't cut as clean, but well, right, I'm just gonna taste a little bit because, you know, I am the baker. Oh my god, that tastes amazing. And they are so fudgy. Anyway, stop eating. Then I'm gonna get a piece of chocolate orange. Get a bowl for all the scraps, which will not go to waste. So I think this one should divide up pretty perfectly. Yeah. If you want to get a cleaner cut, you can warm your knife up. I just don't think I've got time for that. Then I've got another orange, so I'm going to zest some orange over the top. Perfect. And then I'm going to try and display them without completely making them fall apart. They're falling apart on me. And chocolate orange brownies are complete. They do look absolutely amazing. Now it's taste test time. Oh my god, they're so fudgy. I think they may be the best brownies I've ever made. Wow. I even surprised myself. They're genuinely amazing. Wow. Anyway, got lost a moment then. Please try these because they genuinely are epic. They're so fudgy. They've got that nice crispy wrinkly top, packed full of orange flavour, chocolate orange chunks in the middle, chocolate orange on top. I mean, yes, they're very chocolatey, but they are epic. And I didn't get stressed once. I'm making progress. I feel like I've got chocolate all around my braces, so I can't smile. But I'm really happy with these. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.